Hey, what's up, YouTube? So, ever since my wife and I moved into this house about a year ago, I've been having this trouble with our Genair built-in grill that only the left side of each one of these burners would turn on. And I scoured the internet, I was reading all the manuals and everything, but this is probably the quickest fix ever. And I had to go to the barbecue store to figure it out, but fatal flaw, the salesman showed me how to do it, or he was trying to sell me on a new one, but in the process he told me the way the fire jumps from the left side where the burner is, the igniter is always on the left side, is it comes down here and then there's this channel right here. This is the key. And all I did was took it over here and then boom, whacked it with a chisel a couple times and it was cleared out. I just turned it back on and it worked. It worked better than it did when we moved in. So there's a little linchpin thing. You see here that connects into there once you put this through the hole, but after that these burners come out. I think I saw sets for like 60 bucks on Amazon, but this is probably way better. But so now, let's see. It lights, and it lights on the other side. Amazing. So, thank you, barbecue guy, but unfortunately I'm gonna take this tip home and then to you guys. But that's how the internet works now. Alright, see ya. Thanks. Alright, so now to just make sure these things are pretty close to new, I'm gonna just drill in every single one of these just to clear the path. Just took me about 2 minutes to do both sides of there, so it's pretty quick. But just to make sure everything's working right and all the channels are cleared. And you'll be back up and running to full speed in no time. Alright, last step to the full ready for spring and grilling season makeover. The wire brush on the drill. And just hitting it with some 409 and then just going in between the grooves this way and then gonna come that way and then that should do it. And if I feel like it, I'll do the same thing on the grill guards, but I don't know. You can buy replacements for this, but I'm cheap, so I'm just gonna grind this down and, like, you know, wash it good so you don't get shards of metal in your first round of burgers. And yeah. Grilling season.